If you want to know how to maximize your earnings if you have only one device with Honeygain, then this video is for you. Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of Honeygain. I already have made some videos on Honeygain. You can see on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link below in the description. So basically Honeygain is an app which lets you earn passively without doing anything. So for that today I'll give you another complete tutorial. So as you can see, you have the option download for Windows, or you can download on Android device as well, or iOS device as well. It's available. So you have to download for Windows. Once downloaded, as you can see in my downloads folder, I have Honeygain. Now I will install this app. So as you can see, welcome to the Honeygain setup wizard. You just have to click next, next and install, and the installation will begin. Meanwhile, let me show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So as you can see that we need to collect $20 to request a payout, but now they have introduced another method called Jump Task, which is a cryptocurrency. For that you don't have to wait for so long, you just have to enable it. So as you can see that you just have to enable it, and yes, and then you need to use your MetaMask wallet. So here you can create the wallet, you can download and you can sign up, and then you can start redeeming on the Jump Task. So as you can see, here is the button for it to enable Jump Task. Okay, so I think it's Honeygain is still in. I'll show you around, and if you want to maximize your earnings, then you need to know a few things about it. So as you can see that if you install this app on 3 devices, you'll get $55 per month, and you do get a signing bonus of $5 once you register. The more number of IP address your device are connected to, the more you can earn. Your earning depends on traffic demand required for your location. And okay, so now the Honeygain I think has been installed. As you can see, I think, is it installed? It's check. Yeah. So as you can see now the Honeygain is installed, and if you right click on it, if you see here Honeygain is active now running, and if you see, you need to accept the terms and conditions. So how Honeygain works, let me show you. Share, interact and earn. What do you get paid for? Basically they'll pay you for your unused bandwidth. More device equal to more earnings. Invite everyone to join, sit back and earn, and you just have to start. And I will just enter my password and email ID, and we'll be good to go. So as you can see, we are all set, and that's it. I don't have to do anything. See, if you want to maximize your earning, you have this content delivery option. So currently it's not available for my country, but generally in most of the countries it's available. You just need to enable that content delivery option, and you will start extra earnings for it as well. See, I'll show you the content delivery option. So Honeygain introduces content delivery. So we'll gradually introduce content delivery worldwide, but for now content delivery will only work for UK and USA. So if you're living in one of these countries, then you can enable the content delivery option, and you do get some extra amount for it. So which is a great way to earn. And then you should also know about our lucky pot. So what basically is lucky pot is, so once in a day, each day when you are sharing this bandwidth with anyone, then once this is enabled, then there are some rules and you will earn lucky pot for honey gain per day. Let me show you the rules for it. As you can see, I think we'll having lucky pot rules for honey gain. And I just want to tell you that yes, it is safe for you to use Honeygain because they do provide you security. There is nothing illegal about it, so you need not to worry about it. Now let me show you the lucky pot rule, which is another way in which you can maximize your earnings. So only active users of Honeygain are eligible to participate in Lucky Pot game. An active user is any user who has generated a considerable amount of shared effect during the previous calendar day. So once you are active on this, daily you will receive one Lucky Pot, and in that Lucky Pot you can maximum earn up to 10,000 credits, which is worth $10. So which is pretty good, pretty decent. So that is one way of increasing the amount of earnings you have. And also you need to be aware of the fact that you can use your mobile hotspot. If you have only one device, you can use your hotspot and connect the laptop as well with it in order to increase your earnings with Honeygain. And that's it. See, now this is active, and now we are good to go. We are earning, and we just need to enable the content delivery. We have enabled it. The content delivery is now enabled. Once the status is in queue, you are not earning. Once your status is not in queue, then you start earning with content delivery. So as you can see that I've already earned 185 MBs, and this much I've already earned in just few minutes of this video. So that's how easy it is. You don't have to do anything. You can leave this running and it will automatically start working. They do have a very good referral program as well. You can invite your friends, and then you do get some amount of the earning which they are doing on this platform. So Honeygain is indeed a decent app for Android devices or for iOS device to earn, and also you don't have to do anything. This is a passive income opportunity without doing anything. As you can see that it depends on the amount of traffic you're daily sharing and on the device. So even if you, and content delivery, if you're sharing for maybe let's suppose 1 hour, still you can earn $45 per month. 2 device recommended, because one device will have your mobile and the other device will have your laptop. That's how easy it is. I'll leave a link below in description. If you are willing to join, then you will get a $5 joining bonus already, which is a very high joining bonus generally you get on these kind of apps. So that's a very good way to get started, and you can watch this introduction video as well on the platform. I've shown you the tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.